Good afternoon from another wet day here in Glasgow, Scotland. Today's adventure brings me to the Glasgow Police Museum. It's a first for me. There's the entrance across the road there, through that door. You can just see Glasgow Police Museum is opened. So let's take a walk over and get inside, out of the rain at least. I don't know if you need to pay to get in or if it's free. You can see it up there. What we've got here, it says that it's free. So free admission, the Glasgow Police Museum. Open 7 days. I'm here on a Sunday. I need to press the buzzer to get in. So let's press the buzzer to go in. So let's go in. I think it's open anyway, or is it not? No.
Glasgow Police Museum, do you want to see the police?
Aye, but I'll just have a look in. Yeah, let's go in, have a look around.
1975, that's when all the forces, police forces in the West Coast joined up to one force called Strathclyde, including Glasgow. It's now called Strathclyde, so we're not into the history after 1975, saying it wasn't Glasgow Police. So Glasgow's the oldest police force in the United Kingdom.
Fantastic.
You heard the expression running at the clappers?
Yeah, aye.
It derives from the clapper, not the rattle, but the clapper. I tell kids this is before smartphones, personal radios, whistles even. If a cop wanted help, he'd clap that and his colleague would come running to his assistance, hence the phrase, running at the clappers. So that's where it comes from. It's first to start a detective branch, CID, as we know it today. They were the first to use the dogs. In 1910 started training dogs for the use of. Glasgow designed the black and white check in the police hat.
Oh, really? Well,
it's seen by every police force in Britain.
Really?
It's the Chief Constable Sillitoe in 1930s, the Chief Constable of Glasgow. He designed that, and it was to make sure everyone knew it was a police officer they were dealing with. And it was taken on board by all the other police forces as well. It's a sign. The reason that in the 1930s the constables wore helmets, like they did down south. In the 1950s, Glasgow started getting rid of the helmets, purely due to cost. But in the 1930s, the traffic department officers wore a black cap, because they couldn't have helmet driving. And so did the postman, and so did the lamplighter, and anyone in uniform in Glasgow wore a black cap. So some members of the public were confused and didn't realise it was a police officer they were talking to, even though he drove up in a police car. But so Sillitoe designed that, take all confusion out of it. You now know that's a police officer.
Fantastic, there you go.
So that's Glasgow as well.
Superb.
Next door is a collection of uniforms, badges and hats from around the world.
Alright.
It's a massive collection, it's our curators. It's a massive collection he's got. We don't have a room to display it. There's less than a third of his collection on display.
Oh wow.
He's got 200 uniforms from around the world. There's only 30 at a time we can display, just to give you an idea of the size of this. He's got something from every country in the world. And we challenge visitors from abroad not to find their country. There isn't any, because there's every country in the world, including North Korea. It's got police hat and some badges from there.
Superb.
As well.
Yeah.
So there you go.
Interesting.
So I'll leave you to it. You can take
No,
photos.
thanks for your time. Appreciate that.
Take photos if you wish.
Yeah,
Not a
no.
problem.
trying to whisper because it's very quiet. All the patches, hats, uniforms, like that hat. It's a huge collection. Badges and badges. So you probably noticed that I can't really talk too much because it is a museum and there's people walking around and I don't want to interfere walking with the camera, but I'm trying my best. Such a really good collection here of all the hats around the world, the different police forces. It's just a really good collection. And this is only a third of the collection that they have here. All the rest of it, there is no space for them. So they can only show this. So cool. This gives you an idea of the 19th and 20th century Scottish police badges. On the other side. Some more. And the same. Different ones. The size of these bands.
Yeah. I remember the Bible, John.
The film John McCain to us, they're doing a film of it. I don't know if you've seen it. It's from to us, it's all raised in the uniform in the 1850s.
Look at that there. Britain's first police bravery medal.
But we can display them because there is a Glasgow.
Look at that.
That's the 1950s. Just to see the still little chance to see political decisions, we look at the chance to come after us. Yes,
Under the chair in the front of the gym.
he's coming back with it.
Sure, that's not worse.
Detective Sub-Inspector Hector Smith. Look at that there. There you go, his South Glasgow Police Sergeant uniform. The cane there. Different. Legal Superintendent Mary. Some information about him. Got his medals. The weapon which Mr. Mary was shot on. Little miniature medals. There's very, very small. One by John Macaulay at formal dinners. Yeah, cool looking hat. If I've ever seen one. Who does that belong to? Defence of the Realm.
On board.
Well, they run about wee scooters now.
These old school radios. 1974, 1966. Handcuff pouch. Ever ready hand lamp. Folk getting beat up. Right, I think that's it from me just now, so I'm going to head out and we'll catch up after I leave the museum. Well, that's me, mate. Thanks very much for your time.
You're very welcome.
Really appreciate it.
That's what it's all about.
Thank you. Cheers, mate. Take care.
Bye.
So there we go, out of the Glasgow Police Museum, something different for a change, a little adventure. Hopefully you enjoyed that video, and you know what to do: like, subscribe, share. If you want to see more of this content, I like getting out and about and trying new things. I hear bagpipes. Do you hear them? Anyway, until the next video, thank you for watching. I'll see you all then. Bye bye.